Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Google Chrome is lagging or not responding it or it's working very slow in your Windows computer guys. Let's fix that problem guys. Open up Google Chrome, go to three dot icon over here and select the settings guys. On left side select the extensions, scroll down and get the extension. And if you don't want any extension in here guys, you just want to remove it. Remove any unwanted extension you have in your Google Chrome. You just want to remove that guys. If these are too many extensions, it may cause of slow lagging issues guys in Google Chrome. That's why you just want to remove the unwanted extension in here guys. After removing it, you just need to go to settings again, and you just need to select the system over here. Select the system guys on left side. On right side, you just want to enable the use hardware acceleration when available. Make sure you just turn on in Google Chrome guys. You just turn it on. And the next thing you want to go to restore, search here restore settings to their original defaults. Select it guys, and here we get reset Google Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary sites data, and it wanted remove guys bookmarks and history and saved password wanted to be affected. You can able to reset settings guys. Click on it. This will back to default as well, and this will help you to make faster Google Chrome guys. And after doing it, close out of here. And sometimes your internet may cause of a slow problem guys. That's why go to search menu and type cmd command prompt. Click run as administrator and click yes guys. Now you want to check my video description for this 5 commands guys. Copy the first command, tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in guys. Press enter. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Don't reset now guys, we need to do 4 more commands. You just need to copy the second command and paste it in. Do like this all commands guys. Press enter. After doing it, go and copy the third command, copy it and tap the bar, right click, edit and paste it in. Or you can also do it by Ctrl C and Ctrl V guys, pressing. I'm doing for 4th command, edit and paste it in. Press enter. Windows IP configuration, wait for it guys, this need to done. And after done, go and copy the 5th command. This will flash the DNS cache. Copy that and tap the bar, right click, edit and paste it in. Press enter. Windows IP configuration successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. After doing it, close out of here. And now you just want to restart your PC guys. Now after restarting your PC, you can see the changes, the network speed and your Google Chrome way better than before guys. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.